Okay, I'm back. I had my guy that's a public works contractor. He has the license to dig up city streets and sidewalks, because if we have to dig this up in the alley, it will require a public works license. But anyway, I had him come by yesterday, and he sent his camera down and he looked at what we thought was a cable, and he said, I can't really tell, but I look at sewers all day long, every day, and that looks like a root to me, is what he said. So I'm back here today. I'm going to put my chains in there and see what it does. I don't think it's a root. I think it's a cable. I'm pretty sure it's a cable, but let's hope it's a root for the sake of the owner. But he was saying that because this is so deep, that it's going to require a shoring permit and engineering plans. And he said that to get those approved takes about a month, and it's going to cost around $27,000 because this is going to have to be dug down another 5 feet, or a little over 10 right here. So that's going to have to be dug down another 5 feet, shored up. The other side in the alley is going to have to be dug up, shored up, and then repiped to the city saddle, city tap. And the price he gave me, the $27K, that's my price. If he was doing this for a homeowner, it'd be closer to, I don't even know, but I would say definitely closer to 40. So that's where we're at. So let me get my chains. Oh, I also have the Picote grabber, but I don't think that's gonna work. But hey, it's worth a try, right? So let's get everything and see what I can't do for this owner. It's a root, pretty sure. Pretty sure it's a root. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a root. That's good news for sure. Here you go. Glad I got a second opinion. Boy, it looked like a cable so much, but good. That's good. Boy, lucky for him. However, what I forgot to mention is that the sewer public works contractor said that, because I haven't pushed my camera all the way down to the saddle, to the city main, he said there are some issues further down. So let me finish cutting all this out, and then we'll push it all the way down and see what's going on. Okay, so I descaled a little further down the line, and it's pulling out, I don't know what that is. Some kind of plastic, but I just don't know what for. We're gonna rinse this out with the hose and keep pushing. Some kind of plastic. I don't know what that is. Oh man. All right, let me rinse this out. All right, there's another pass. Just massive roots, dude. Massive roots. All right, let's keep going. Okay, we're looking a lot better. I've cleared out all the roots. However, unfortunately, the issues here never end. So, let me show you. You have a you got a nice big break. So we're in the cast iron. All clear, all clear, all clear. And if you recall, it was at the transition to the clay. That root I couldn't get. That shouldn't be an issue. I mean, it's obviously going to grow back, but I just couldn't get that with the chains because of that transition from the 4 to 6. It's almost like it's below the 4-inch there. So we hop into the 6-inch clay, and if you remember, there was a ton of roots and what we thought was a cable right here. It's all clear now. Completely clear. Keep going, keep going. And unfortunately, as we keep pushing, you have a major crack in the pipe right here and a partial dislocate right here. So the crack's right there, dislocate, you can see it right there. It's actually partially collapsed. That's more than a dislocate. I mean, all of that right there. See, that's going into the ground right there. That's the earth. And as you can kind of see, the pipe is choked off right there because it's collapsed. And this is the source of what we thought was a cable. They were growing in right here, and they were just growing down the pipe. So I'm gonna get what's called a skid and put it on the end of my camera here and see if I can't pop up over that, but I doubt I'll be able to. And that's at 37 feet from where I'm at. So that's actually major. That's pretty darn big. I'm surprised it hasn't backed up, especially with all those roots. Okay, let me grab a skid and then I'll put it on. Okay, so this is what's called a skid, and you just pop it on the end and it helps you get over large obstructions. So let's see. Okay, so here's a better look at that crack. So let's try to. Nah, I can't get up past that, unfortunately. It just doesn't want to go past that. And I mean, I could try and slam the camera against it, but when you start doing that, it damages stuff. And the fact of the matter is, if you have to slam your camera to get over a hump like that or a dislocate, it's you got to replace it. I mean, it's pretty simple as that, unfortunately. But that's just going straight into the terracotta right there, the clay. All right, well, we tried. All right, well, we're done for today because the owner is gonna have to make a real serious decision on what he wants to do. Unfortunately, with that pipe dislocated, I don't think you could even line it if you wanted to. I don't think pipe bursting could be applicable in this situation. But that sucker drops 5 feet below that. And who knows how deep it is down here. But my public works guy was saying the sewer's right here. Boom, straight down. Public works guy was saying this would all have to be shored up. And yeah, man. So there's gonna be a part 4. Maybe it's just us backfilling, and he's like, nah, I can't do it. You're looking at a lot of money to do this. If this is their forever home, bro, now's the time to do it. If you're gonna sell in a few years, let it slide. But if they find out that you didn't disclose known facts upon the sale of the property, they could go after you big time. So, all right.